Hey everyone, I've got a super exciting update for you today. I know a few weeks ago, maybe a little over a month ago, I told you about the upcoming book that I've been working on for a while that's going to be coming out soon. It's called Building Smart LEGO Mindstorms EV3 Robots. And I'm very pleased to announce that I now have a publishing date, and it's very close. It's going to be published on April 5th, which is next Thursday, so we're less than a week away. And I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys are excited about it too. I explained what it's about in the last video, but basically it covers 6 of my most popular projects, and it's like a project-based guide where it teaches you how the building works, like teaches you the engineering behind it, and it includes a step-by-step programming guide for each of them. And on my website I have the LDD files that accompany the book, which can help you in the building process. If you're interested in learning more about the book, I'll put up the link up here and you can click on it and read about it on my website. And the book is currently available for pre-order on Amazon in both print and ebook copies. So anyway, I'm super excited. Mark your calendars for April 5th next week. And like I said, I hope you consider purchasing a copy, because I'm very proud of the work that I've put in it, and I'm sure you'll love it. It makes a great complement to my tutorials. And I'm also hoping that revenue from the book will help me pay my way through college, even if it's just a little bit. And speaking of college, I know a lot of people have been asking where I'm going to college, and I'm glad to tell you that I have some very exciting news. I won't say in this video, I'll save that for another video which will come very soon, and I'll tell you all about the schools that I applied to and where I'm ultimately deciding to go. Anyway, thank you for watching. Check out the book in a week, and I hope you decide to buy a copy. Thanks, and I'll see you later. Kyle out.